It's not your fault. Your rounded shoulders didn't start yesterday. They have been decades in the making. When you were a kid, when your body was still growing every day, you carried the huge boxes in your backpack that was probably bigger than you. Looking in that point of your life, how do you think that little child back felt day after day? Exactly. Strained, tired, and slowly pulled forward. Then you grew up, but the problems didn't go away. Now, like 90% of the people, you spend 8 to 10 hours a day at the desk. Your back muscles are weakening year after year. And one day you noticed your shoulders are rounded, your posture collapsed. Stiffnesses and pain have become your new normal. You can go back and fix your childhood. You cannot quit your job that supports you and your family. But you can fix this one starting today. In this video, I will show you 5 simple no-equipment exercises that you can do anywhere, even on your office break, to open your chest, to strengthen your back, and to reverse years of damage. These moves will help you to stand taller, breathe deeper, play with your kids, and live without that consistent arch in your neck and shoulders. So, let's get started. Sit comfortably on your chair with your feet flat on the floor, hip wide apart. Keep your knees at around a 90-degree angle and place your hands on your knees or quads. Round your back, putting the chin to the chest. Drive your belly button in and around your spine, letting your shoulders roll forward. Then, arch the back, lifting your chest over the ceiling. Roll your shoulders back and squeeze your shoulder blades together. Repeat this slow, controlled movement 8 to 10 times. Start in quadruped position, hands directly under shoulders, knees directly under hips, neutral spine, and neck relaxed. Slowly round your spine upward toward the ceiling. Pull your belly button toward your spine. Tuck your chin to your chest. Then, slowly arch your back down. Let your belly move toward the floor. Look upward without straining the neck. Repeat movement 8 to 12 times. Sit tall on your chair with your feet flat on the floor and hip wide apart. Keep your back straight and your shoulders relaxed. Let your arms rest naturally by your sides. Squeeze your shoulder blades straight back toward each other. Imagine trying to pinch a pencil between them. Hold the squeeze for 2 to 3 seconds while keeping your neck relaxed and chest slightly lifted. Then slowly release and return to the start position. Repeat movement 10 to 15 times. Sit tall on your chair with your feet flat on the floor and keep your knees about hip wide apart. Place your left hand on your desk. Then reach your right arm under your left arm, rotating your upper body so your palm faces up toward the ceiling. Allow your torso to follow the twist, bringing your right shoulder slightly toward and down. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. And then return to the start position. Repeat movement 10 to 12 times each side. Start in quadruped position, hands directly under shoulders, knees directly under hips, neutral spine and neck relaxed. Slide your right arm under your left arm with palm facing up. Allow your right shoulder and the side of your head to rest on the floor. Your hips stay high and square to the floor while your upper back rotates. Hold for 10 to 15 seconds. Then slowly return to the start position. Repeat movement 10 to 12 times on each side. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 15 to 20 centimeters away from it. Keep your lower back pressed over the wall. You might need to slightly tuck your pelvis to avoid arching. Bring your arms up, elbow bend at 90 degrees and upper arms parallel to the floor. Slowly slide your arms upward toward an overhead position, keeping them and your elbows as close to the wall as possible. Go as high as your mobility allows without your lower back coming off to the wall. Pause for 1 to 2 seconds at the top, then slowly slide your arms back down to the start position. Repeat this movement 10 to 15 times. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on the wall and keep your arms straight. Step back and start hinging at your hips, like you're doing a half deadlift. Let your chest sink down toward the floor while keeping your arms straight and palms pressing into the wall. Relax your head and neck between your arms. Keep a neutral spine. Hold down position for 15 to 20 seconds and repeat 4 to 5 times. Your rounded shoulders don't just affect how you look, they affect how you feel, how you breathe, and even how much energy you have. That's why these 5 simple exercises aren't just quick fix. They're a daily habit that can literally change your life. Do them every single day, wherever you are, at home, at break at office, or even while watching the TV. And you will keep your shoulders open, you will strengthen your spine, and keep your posture proud. If you're ready to take this further and completely fix your posture, join my Build to Move community subscribing right now, and when you're done there, watch my video 8 small things to fix your posture. It's completely and perfect next step to make sure that your posture will stay strong for life. Take care of your health and I will see you in the next one. Bye!